Aries, this is your channel messages for the 29th of October. I'm your host Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner, and psychic tarot reader. Aries, let's go ahead and go into your reading. We're going to do your past life tarot spread, okay? We're going to see who you were in a past life, Aries. Were you this fiery or were you more emotionally capable? Aries, repeat after me. I am smart. I am honest. I am beautiful. I am capable. I am worthy. And I am enough. Thank you, Aries. Let's go ahead and go into your readings. Great affirmations. I hope you're saying your affirmations. And I hope your kids are saying their affirmations. We hope Glorilla will be teaching her baby her ABCs. Hamala. We hope Glorilla will. And we want the baby to get Glorilla accent. So Glorilla, I hope you ain't leaving your babies with any bum-ass daycare. We want the baby to have your accent, Glorilla, so please do not leave that baby's side. Keep the baby close to you like how culture was close to Cardi B. Let's just go ahead and go into your reading. Let's see who you were in a past life, Aries. Who were you? Oh, a fire keep coming out. So it might be something was a fire sign. I'm sorry you can't see the cards, but you can see me. I hope that's enough for you, Aries. Okay. Eight of Swords, Eight of Wands. Who you were? You were. Me getting a messenger. You were a messenger. No, me don't believe you were. I'm not saying you're Jesus. Calm the fuck down. What I'm trying to say is, you used to be a person who go back and forth and send messages. Maybe back in the days, in the war days, when they would be like, get a raven to send this message back to the king's landed. Winter's coming, right? We get to you as a messenger. You used to bring information, maybe top secret information. Okay, what did you do? The Empress. Yeah, you work for you work for the mother of dragons, apparently. Me getting you used to work for she. You used to tell her what's happening, the affairs that's happening in the city, maybe what the commoners want, and I'm getting you to make deals on behalf of her. You used to communicate on behalf of Khaleesi. This is what you used to do. You were the communicator for the Empress, or you spoke directly to the Queen. Something like that. What challenges did you face? The Ten of Pentacles. No, I don't read upside down cards anymore, but the challenges you face is probably money. Maybe you were responsible for the Queen's money to make sure the budget don't go over. Maybe you had to protect the Queen from her own family who wanted to murder her for her money. Because with the Queen usually comes with royalty. I'm getting you have to communicate to her. So maybe you were her right hand, you were a helping hand in making sure that her money was safe and protected. Maybe you were the accountant, but I'm not getting that. I'm getting something more hands-on. Not just over the phone, you were seeing her in person with her. Maybe you were responsible for her spending and finances. All right. How did you die? This moon card, we don't know, you just dead. I'm getting that the Queen was crying for months on her throne, you went missing. Maybe people, they want money from you and you said, no, you're not going to get it, and them kill you. I'm getting the Queen never found your body. Maybe you were drowned or you're buried near water, but I'm getting she never find your body. I'm getting she keep a big funeral for you. But I'm getting she cried for months on the throne because she couldn't find your body. What lesson did you learn? The Nine of Pentacles. I'm getting two things. It's either you learned from your past life that in order to get high ranking, you have to be a girl. So I don't know if you're the first person who come out with the whole transgender thing. Or I'm getting something about were you messing with the Queen's family member? This could be the mother you mess with the daughter. Or I don't know if you were messing with this woman. I'm getting a fair family fuck you. So I don't know if you were working for the Queen, you didn't have a love of your life. The love of your life was another woman. Why did you work for the Queen? I'm getting in a problem with she may have been a married woman. I'm getting her husband kill you or her family killed you. Maybe she wanted money from you. If you take the Queen's money and give her, you tell her no. I'm getting her over one woman. So now you learn if you don't trust every pussy. Just because them look pretty, just because them act like them submissive, no, you know, mean every pussy is good pussy. You hear? I like a man who can deny pussy. I like a man who can tell me no. What else? One more. How have you been influenced? The Justice card. I'm getting a teacher, a lot to teach about loyalty. You teach about in-law loyalty. You teach about the Roman loyalty. Maybe the royal loyalty ways of how to do something. Or I'm getting, you say to yourself, if I just stay to my job and attend to the queen, would have been here. But I'm getting you fall in love with somebody, family member, and the family kill you. Maybe the queen kill you out of jealousy because you were in love with someone else. But I'm getting you're the one who did the business between the queen and this other woman. You were the middleman. We have celebrity. We have bright future. We have guru. We have $1 million baby. And we got Pisces. I'm gonna leave it here until next time. Bye.